Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use sRGB picture mode on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to go to our settings application. Okay, this is my setting, and then we need to activate a developer mode menu. To activate developer mode, you need to go to about phone right here. And then you're going to go to the software information and click on the build number multiple times until the developer mode activated. Okay, let me practice it. Okay, just like this. And then you need to enter your pattern in your Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright, and now the developer mode has been turned on. And to access the developer mode, we need to go to the setting, go to main setting, and the developer options will appear right here, and then you just need to open it. Okay, and this is the developer option menu looks like, and you're going to scroll down until you find picture color mode, and you can activate the sRGB picture mode here. Just click on this toggle button to activate it. Okay, now it's done. The sRGB picture mode has been activated. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back, and if you want to turn it off, we can go back to the developer option and then just click on the toggle button. Okay, just like this. And if you want to turn off the developer mode, you can select this button like this, and then the developer option will be turned off. And if you have the developer option off, of course the sRGB picture mode will be turned off as well. So if you want to activate the sRGB picture mode, of course you need to activate your developer option. Okay, and then I'm just going to activate it again, and then I'm going to activate the sRGB picture mode. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use sRGB picture mode on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.